What's up guys? Today is the 22nd of January 2026. I wanted to run you guys through my trading for today. What I did right, what was going through my mind today. Today I was out. I wasn't at my setup at 9:30, so I managed to catch something at my trade was like 10:50 or 10:55. But yeah, all right, let's look into what went through my mind before I took this. So basically on the 4 hour, I was looking to target this 4 hour high, and we also had this 4 hour imbalance. We also had this 4 hour imbalance above here, so I was looking to target those because we had taken this new day opening gap, and we were delivering off of this 4 hour gap right below here. We'd already swept the higher time frame buy side liquidity, so yeah, I was looking to trade higher in this kind of lunch hour trade. But yeah, then on the 1 hour, we tap into this 1 hour FVG perfectly. You can see it marked out here. Why is my chart tripping up? Yeah, you could. Why do I have okay? Yeah, so we tap into this 1 hour FVG perfectly, and we start rejecting off of it. And I have a bunch of highs and lows marked out for what? Damn, bro, it's crazy that I closed this shit early, fam. Oh my days. Bro, it's just, yeah, sometimes NQ is just genuinely over sexualizing the experience. Like, sometimes just like, bro, put the profits in the bag, NQ. I'm genuinely just gonna close the trade. Like, bro, oh my days, NQ. But anyhow, it genuinely is what it is. Shit, what do I want to say? Yeah, we tap into this 1 hour FVG, and I was targeting these highs right here. Sorry, yeah, this 1 hour FVG, I was targeting these highs up here. So that's basically it. Then in terms of the entry is, yes, we tap into the 1 hour gap. I move to the 5-minute time frame, and I wait for, some people could enter this off of like a change in state of delivery, but I just wanted I managed to see this 5-minute FVG right here. I would have preferred to get an entry like this. This should have been my entry, genuinely, bro. Bro, this trade could have been such a banger if this was my entry. But sometimes it's just how it is. I low-key got a little bit of a panicked entry, so I entered a bit too early. I should have just set a limit order here, but I managed to get filled somewhere up here. The entry was really terrible, but it's what it is. Initially I was targeting these highs, but just as I realized that okay, momentum started to die down, I closed my trade somewhere around here. So yeah, it's crazy, but it was a good trade. It was a good trade though. We made 3k total across 3 accounts. So yeah, if there's something that I did wrong, maybe I should have targeted this, and obviously should have gotten the better entry here at the consequent encroachment of the 5-minute gap, because that is actually in my rules right here, that my entry is at the consequent encroachment of the FVG. The consequent encroachment is basically just the halfway line. I know it's such a terrible name. I wish we didn't have to call it that. It's like the 50% quadrant of the FVG, so that's practically where I like to have my entries when it comes to trading these FVGs. But yeah, W day, I think everything was good. Pretty A+ setup, I can't lie, and the timing of it was kind of good as well. So yeah, let me see. But yeah, that's basically it for real. That's it. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. I think I have a bit of consistency to meet with my funded, so we'll see if we can catch another trade then. We should be ready for payout by then, but see you guys in the next one.